Explain everything that is going on to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So I will be going to him on Sunday to know the outcome of the message that I passed to him.
Is it concerning this case?
Yeah, it's concerning this case.
Justice.
I'm from London.
Oh wow.
This is totally ridiculous.
I'm telling you.
How can somebody kill somebody and just walking free? Yes, walking freely.
People that are not even in there, they are locking them up. I've never seen that before.
Yes, it's totally ridiculous.
Where's
I mean, this is totally ridiculous. It's totally unfair. We all in the court today that everything will be sorted out. Unfortunately, nothing happened.
And you want justice for Mohbad?
We want justice for Mohbad.
Your name, ma?
Princess Iyabo Belegua.
Princess Iyabo, all the way from London. All right, she's from London. She came to attend the inquest.
And what she's expecting, what she's saying.
Mọ́mí wa ní ṣókí wọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹjọ́ lónìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ará ìlú tí ó ń fẹ́ ìdájọ́ òdodo fún Mohbad. Kí ni èrò kí lẹ rí nígbà tẹ́ kó owó ẹ̀ papọ̀ lẹ́yìn?
Nǹkan tí mo rí ni pé àwọn people yìí wọ́n ti mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Wọ́n fẹ́ kárí justice ni. They are just playing around. But a dẹ̀ máa gba justice yẹn fún Mohbad. A máa gba. It might be long, but a máa gba justice yẹn. Otherwise, Wunmi ò ní lọ free. Wunmi ò ní lọ free. Tí a ò bá rí justice ní bíbá ẹ̀. Àwọn àtúlò ti ìbílẹ̀ láti make sure pé a rí justice. Because gbogbo tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí cover up ni. Wọ́n ti mọ ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀. Say they are just beating around the bush. And we will not take it.
All right, ma. Hearing kan wà lọ́la ṣe máa attend there. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe paternity test lórí ọ̀rọ̀ DNA.
Níbí báyìí.
Yeah, still on the same issue. Ṣé máa dúró?
What time?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yeah. Okay, hopefully I will be here.
All right, no problem.
Thank you so very much, Mom.
Okay, so
looking up to you.
Yeah, I will be here tomorrow.
All right.
Okay, so Yorùbá máa sọ ní apá abọ́lẹ̀ tí wá fún ìjẹ́gbẹ́jọ́ yìí.
You came from UK.
Nítorí ẹjọ́ ilẹ̀ ṣe wá.
Nítorí ẹjọ́. How soon lẹ fẹ́ padà ma?
Mo máa padà ní next month.
Next month. All right, I know. Okay.
Wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan kan fún èmi.
I know.
Mo máa padà ní next month. Yes, mo máa padà ní next month. So èmi mo rò bí pé wọ́n máa finalize everything ní pé prime boy or what's his name wọ́n máa lè sọ̀rọ̀.
But mommy, if I may ask now, what is your opinion in them not giving Prime chance to talk to you?
Yeah, we still have time, but it's totally ridiculous. So me, I believe that Prime Boy is still going to talk. But now they are joined the case to so time. What is going on? We want to know. There is no time to be wasted. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mohbad, who are you to?
Nothing.
Just a sticker.
Yes.
All right.
What's name? Yes. Princess Iyabo Belegua.
Yeah,
Princess Iyabo.
Was there a protest in London for like where you participated?
Not really.
Okay.
Not really.
But how is the Mohbad case in UK?
It's everywhere. Everywhere. Bukky just say Oba.
All right.
What's her name? Hada. Everybody. Kò sí ẹni tó take it easy.
What's the problem?
So, all right. Thank you so very much.
Before leaving now, what's your take for all parents as regards the picture of late Mohbad's wife, Wunmi, to the scenario? Because few days back we learned that Liam was a year, and the death of Mohbad is still in court, while the coroner inquest is still trying to unravel the circumstances surrounding the death. Ṣé ó yẹ níyàwó torí tí ó jẹ́ sí olóògbé àtọmọ tí ó wà involved nínú case kílẹ̀ di sọ nípa ìmọ̀?
Wunmi jẹ́ bedmate, kò kí n ṣe ìyàwó. She's just a killer. Ó wá láti wá enrich gbogbo property Mohbad ni. Ó wá fún mission láti wá ṣe ni. It's not about ìyàwó, kò kí n ṣe ìyàwó. Introduction tó ń ṣe arrange introduction ni. Tó ti yé yín, wọ́n arrange ẹ ni, but Wunmi ó ti ní ohun tí ó fẹ́ ṣe nínú. And Wunmi ló carry out gbogbo atrocity yẹn. Wunmi pẹ̀lú what's his name? Elegushi.
Okay.
Yeah, Elegushi pẹ̀lú. Mama Wunmi náà dẹ̀ pẹ̀lú.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama Wunmi involved. Mama Wunmi mọ̀. Ìyá Mohbad náà no ó mọ nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Okay, ma'am.
So ó kàn pause ni nítorí owó tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún.
Okay, ma'am.
So ó mọ ohun tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Ma'am.
But ẹ máa sọ.
As a mother, ma, your opinion to the lifestyle of Iya Wunmi, Baba Wunmi, àti Iya Mohbad and Adura on this case?
Actually, to my own opinion, they should be able to be in one. Láti get justice fún ọmọ wọn, no matter tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, differences, they should be one to get this justice. After the justice, they might separate. We don't mind, but let them fight for the fundamental rights of the son.
Lekorema, and lastly, your name once again, ma.
Princess Iyabo Belegua.
Thank you, ma.
From England.
From England.
Thank you so very much, my mom. Thank you very much.
Okay, we have. Can you?
All right.
Can you give my number?
Okay, hold on. My number my follow. Ṣé wà ní online? Ṣé ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ online?
Ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé èmi náà máa ń ṣe audio ni. Ó ní reason tí mo fi ń ṣe tó fi jẹ́ pé audio ni mo
All right,
ṣe.
I'll follow up pẹ̀lú.
Because this mobile name, please give my number to them.
Okay.
All right. That is our mom, another mother from England, talking about this particular ongoing issue, saying she is going to, contact the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and things will surely work out well. So that is the way it is. Okay, all right.
All right.
Closure of the matter itself, because certain fact that we're not in the know had come up, and trying to correct or trying to negate the narrative that we have had before now, which were also subject to scrutiny and examination too. So we are glad that we have gotten to this point in time, and we are eliciting facts. We are making progress. On the next date, Prime Boy is already in court. He was in court today too, and is in court to also give his testimony and to straighten and to also further help and assist the inquest on its fact-finding mission.
So what happened today that people were expecting that Prime Boy to talk about some things?
No, Prime Boy would make no. It's not a matter of disappointment. The court had to rise and give a further date for Prime Boy to come. So Prime Boy is definitely coming to give his testimony. He was in court on the last adjourned date, but because circumstances allow him to give testimony, we thought he would give testimony today. But Spanian was still giving his testimony, and his testimony took quite a while because he was cross-examined. So at the point in time, because it's the proceedings of the court, and the court too is human that runs the court, so the court have to adjourn for a further date for Prime Boy to come and give his testimony. So that's fine.
Does it mean the Prime Boy session was boycotted because of the health status of the judge?
Well, yes. The court needed to, because like I said, the court is run by humans, and the court has even made efforts, because the court had to sit, despite the health challenges, the court had to sit to finish the testimony of Spending, who has started his examination before now.
All right. Your opinion, toxicology result, these things surrounding the investigation of these medical things. Your opinion?
A commitment has been given by the toxicologist already, and we're aware before the court. We're aware that the report is very soon soon be ready.
Don't you think it's taking forever, like it's taking taking too long?
Like the toxicologist said, everybody were in court when the toxicologist made efforts to explain all the processes. There are processes involved, and unfortunately, there are processes that cannot be controlled by us or by the system in Nigeria, because it had to be taken out of the country to be done. So processes and protocols have to be followed, and I think that's just natural.
All right. Is there any witness that should be expected? Any aside Prime Boy?
Yes,
any other witness?
Expectedly at the last stage, the toxicologist had given a hint to say that he got a message he will receive the message from the laboratory that the test will be ready very soon. But it's very possible. There's a very strong possibility that at that time we might have the pathologist.
Are we still going to have the nurse?
Well, it's at the discretion of the court. As soon as the necessary witnesses are done, if the court sees reason, the court is not a court of jamboree. If there's a reason to recall or to call witnesses or certain witnesses that need more to shed more light, then the court may invite them and they will come before the court and give their testimony. All right. Yes, thank you.
Sorry, sir, if I may ask. Okay. Concerning the aspect of the PA of Mohbad, Darusha, I'm still finding it difficult. Why Darusha is yet to be invited by the Corona Inquest?
Well, like I said, there's no reason to invite a lot of persons that will not just give or will not just help the court in its mission. The court will not just keep, because everybody wants to talk, we'll just call everybody. If there is no reason for you, or there's nothing that the court wants to elicit from you, there's no reason to that is not to say that he will not be invited. If at any point in time there's a reason for the court to elicit statements from him and explanations from him, they will invite him to the court. At some point in time, we had never had an instinct to say that we never knew that Spending will be invited to court. But when the court saw reasons to get him to court, he came to court. The same thing applies to Prime Boy.
But sir, if I may ask, either in or out of the case, embalming someone locally without a medical, outside the medical facilities and anything, or a license, you understand, is it allowed under the law or is against the law?
These things that's why the state is involved. That's why the state is involved. I believe every process is being engineered by the states, especially in a case like this.
The reason I put the question, sir, is because, to my own thinking and my opinion, which I think I'm entitled to, the reason why I put the question is this: I believe even before before Prime, Darusha should have come before those, because he happens to be the PA to Mohbad. He followed him straight to the show, back to the house, and he was also in the house.
Let's not preempt. We already have there's an application already pending before the court. If there's a need, that's why I say at this stage is at the discretion of the court.
At what point? Let me put it in a short word by saying, what determines the invitation of witness?
Relevant to the question in issue. If there needs him to be invited and to answer to those questions, he will show up.
But for now, is there any signal?
Well, let's not preempt the court. It's still a process. Let's not preempt it.
All right, thank you very much. All right.
The question has been raised and been asked, and things are still the way it usually is. And as things stand, we still have to do the right thing at the right time, has to be done within the premises. Thank you so very much. Still on the matter. I only have a meeting. You know, it won't be allowed inside the office. Well, as it is, these are the people from Ikorodu, the boys out there, you know. also seeking for justice. And here we go.
Nǹkan tí mo kàn yín lọ́rọ̀ yẹn pé ilé ayé ìṣà náà máa yẹ ká ṣe sí i mo kàn yín lọ́rọ̀ yẹn wà ní again nǹkan question mẹ́ta pé kàn fẹ́ béèrè ẹ jọ ẹ bá lè pass me question yìí as a message ẹ jọ.